Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. It's pizza smorgasbord. So we're going to do pizza 3 different ways, and I'm super excited to share this with you because we're doing it all in the air fryer. Yep, everything goes in the air fryer, and it literally takes 7 minutes. Let's check it out, okay? So before we get started, let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 400 for about 5 minutes because it's not going to take us very long at all to go ahead and fix these little pizzas up, okay? Okay, so these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. Yep, 3 different pizzas, 3 different sauces, and we are going to use our mozzarella cheese, some chicken, some sauteed vegetables. I mean, I'm pretty much using leftovers. So this is a pizza crust that I already, it comes in a package of 3. I'll show you that in just a moment. And so that's why we're making 3 pizzas. So we're just going to coat the inside, outside, everything with olive oil and go ahead and start building it up. So my first one, I'm going to use barbecue sauce because I love barbecue chicken pizza. I didn't think that I was going to, but oh my gosh, it's so good. And yeah, I think it's my new favorite right now, to be honest with you. So I just put that down there and then just took the back of my spoon and just kind of spread it all around. And yes, it looks messy, but who cares? It's going to cook up and it's going to taste the same. It doesn't matter. And we're going to go ahead and grab our cheese. This is just regular mozzarella that I shredded up, and just pile it on there because to me, the more the merrier when it comes to the cheese. So we just kind of pile that up all over the barbecue sauce, and we're going to add in some chicken. This is just a chicken breast that was left over that I made. I just cooked it. Actually, I cooked that in the air fryer too. And so I had some left over. Thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and make pizza out of it. So, and then I'm just going to add some red onions to it. And then, try and make it look a little more pretty. And then just drizzle some barbecue sauce over the top of it. So just to kind of give it a little bit more flavor on the top, barbecue sauce, because I didn't really pile it on the bottom. So I thought, well, it'll all seep together with it on the top. So that's it. That's pizza number 1 already done. Can you believe it? It took us all of like, what, a minute? Okay, we're just going to go ahead and put that one on our baking rack, and it is ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and pile up the other ones too. So we're going to cook them all at 3 at the same time. And so this one, same thing, just put the olive oil in, cover it inside, outside, upside down, everything. Just make sure that it's all nice and coated. I'm going to use some Classico Alfredo sauce. Yes, I cheated. And I have to say I have no regrets because I think this is delicious. And I'm just going to use 2 heaping spoonfuls of Alfredo sauce to put down on the bottom. So with this one, I'm going to actually just build it up first with on top of the Alfredo sauce. So I'm going to take my leftover chicken and just kind of put that down there. And then what's cool about this is Alfredo, so you can put anything that you like with your Alfredo sauce. So it could be like I'm using mushrooms and I'm using some onions. But if you have like broccoli or artichokes or anything that you like normally put in your Alfredo sauce, just put on there, and it's so good. And then we're just going to top it with our mozzarella cheese. So that is it. And of course, we're going to pile it pretty high because, hey, the more the merrier of the cheese, in my opinion. So anyway, that is it. So we're just going to go ahead and, well, here we go. We're going to stick it right on the rack, and pizza number 2 is all done and ready to go in there. Okay, on to pizza number 3. Same thing. We would like a nice crunchy crust, so let's go ahead and just do the same thing. Coat it inside, outside, upside down, everywhere. Make sure it's all nice and coated with the olive oil. And I'm going to use spaghetti sauce for this one. This is my favorite brand of spaghetti sauce. I love it because it's first of all, it's really tasty. And I like to use this for pizza sauce because it has first of all, I think it has a much better flavor than regular pizza sauce, and I like that it has tomatoes in there, so you can actually see the tomatoes. So then we're going to go ahead and pile our cheese on nice and high. So like I said, the more the merrier. We love our cheese. And then for this one, I am going to use some leftover sauteed vegetables that I had, which is just onions, green peppers, and bell peppers, and I had some garlic in there. So, like I said, those are just leftovers that I had from a fajita night and didn't use them all. So I thought, well, they'll be perfect. So we're going to, since this is a veggie pizza, we're going to go ahead and use our leftover mushrooms. And that is it. So pizza number 3 is done. Can you believe it? We made all of those in like no time at all. So prep is everything. And I should probably mention the crust that I'm using. It's Mama Mary's, and it comes 3 to a package, and it's really good. I've used this many times. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put these in the oven now. They're all ready to go. And yes, it handles all 3 of them, no problem. I love this little oven. It is so handy, and it's so great that you can do all 3 right there in one little tiny unit. It's great. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in at 375 degrees, and we're gonna put them in for 7 minutes, and that's it. So, well, that's not it exactly. So about midway, we're gonna start rotating our pizzas around because for some reason the ones that are closer to the top get cooked a little bit quicker. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of switch them around a little bit and let them finish off. But like I said, it takes 7 minutes total. So you've got to kind of keep an eye on it and rotate them as necessary. Okay, so we just got the alert that everything was done. And it literally, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at the cheese on the top. It's all nice and brown and oh, so good. So I'm super excited. So literally, it took 7 minutes total. Had to do a couple rotations. As you'll notice, some are like in different spots, but that's only because I was moving it around a little bit. But that's it. Let's go chop it up and take a look at it. So here we go. Pizza number 1. This is our chicken Alfredo one. So we're just going to go ahead and, give it a nice little quick chop. Chop. And excuse my owie on my arm. So my daughter just got a new puppy, and she likes to attack my arm. So I'm trying not to show it as much as possible, but I can't help it sometimes. So anyway, back to the pizza. Look at there. Oh my goodness, that chicken Alfredo one is to die for. Is so good. So we're going to go ahead and just go place those up. And then we got to cut into the next one, which is this one is the veggie one. Look at that. Look at all those vegetables. Oh my goodness. So we're just going to go ahead and chop all that one up and go ahead and place that one. And I can't wait to show you the presentation. I think it looks so pretty, and it's perfect for like a little date night or whatever, or if you just have like company come over. This is super quick and super easy, and so affordable as well. So, and here is the barbecue chicken one. Oh my goodness, smells so good. Look at this one. Oh, it's my favorite. I know I've told you that like 12 times already, but still, I love this one. Look at the cheese. It's so ooey gooey and perfect, and oh my goodness, love this one. So check it out. Let's just grab a little slice and take a look at that. Really, oh my goodness, so good. The crust is nice and crunchy. The cheese is nice and ooey gooey. Everything is cooked all the way through. So let's go plate it up, and let's go take a look and see how it looks when it's all done. Oh my gosh, you guys, can you believe that we just made like 3 different pizzas all in a matter of just 7 minutes? 3 pizzas in 7 minutes in the air fryer. So cool. Doing the toppings really didn't take that long at all. And of course you can top it with whatever you want, but I thought I would show you just a couple different varieties. I mean, pizza is pizza, and it's so good no matter what is on it. So anyway, I thought this would be super cool, like if you're having like a Netflix night or something, you can just have it out there and grab a slice whenever you're hungry or whatever. Or perfect date night or whatever. Kids love pizza. I love pizza, so, and I have a lot to devour here. I mean, this is fun. So anyway, I really appreciate you guys joining me. I had a lot of fun making this, and I hope you guys do too. And I got some ideas anyway out of it. And then, yeah, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. That would be wonderful. And leave me a comment in the comment section below if you would, especially if you're interested in me trying out something new or different, or something that you would really want to try in the air fryer. And I'm still trying to learn this myself, so we will learn together. I think that would be cool. So leave me a comment in the comment section below of what you would like me to try. I've already had somebody that asked me to make fried zucchini, so I think I'm going to do that one in my next one. And yeah, if you have any suggestions, let me know. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye now.